For determination of thickness of the slab base, we have step 6. So Tx equals to under root of 2.5 ultimate pressure in the bracket a square minus 0.3 b square gamma mo by Fy. So here we can represent b square as a square. Yeah. So directly a we can replace it as a b or b as an a. So now where a is equal to 150, all value we have, so we'll substitute all the values. So yeah, we have all the values substituted. We got thickness of this slab base as 39.44 is equal to 40 mm, right? So now we make it, or given data TF is given 13.1. If we are not able to calculate these values, so you can take this values 13.1 as a given value. So whatever the bigger value we have, to value, you need to take it as a thickness. So the thickness of the slab base is 40 mm, which is called as a T. Now after that, you can see we have completed design of the slab base. What exactly the design of the slab base, the output of the slab base is, we are going to provide 600 by 450. We are going to provide 600 by 450 mm dimensions, width and length, and thickness of the slab base is 140 mm, right? So this is what exactly the slab base design is. After that, we are going to design the column pedestal. What does pedestal means? Pedestal means the design of this concrete. Now you can see over here some screw are being provided with the angle of inclination, so bolt are provided. So in this numerical, we are not going to discuss about the bolted, but let me tell you one thing. I gave one, yeah, right, provide a base slab of 600 by 440 mm and two lug angles of ISA 100 by 100 by 10. What are the lug angles? Lug angles are this one, so 100 by 100 by, which is help to make the position of the ISA, yeah, and the 4 number of bar of 20 mm diameter board, 300 mm long, one at each corner. Okay, we provided on this for the joining of the slab base with the pedestal. So that's what exactly we provided. So let's discuss the design of the in the next video. So let's here start with the design of the pedestal. Yes, the design of the pedestrian, consider for that we need to consider the area, AF into BF. Okay, so AF is into BF, so area what we are going to consider. So this is what is the BF side, this is what, so AF is LF, it is LF, so make it correction, it's LF. After that, consider the projection B equals to on both on the gusset plane. So here we can consider A also, but we already calculate the value of A. We cannot consider it as an A because A value represent the distance from the base plate to this one. So now we have the area of this base plate. Okay, we need to determine this particular area of the pedestal, so we consider it as a B. So if distance from this to this, the distance from distance to this, the distance between this is also called as B. So similarly here also B, and everywhere it is B. So distance of this overall side will be represented by BF, which is nothing but equal to BP. Alright, this is BP, this is BP. Okay, BP plus BNB, that is 2B. Here also it is LP, LP plus B plus B, 2B. Okay,